The Ferrari F8 Spider is a convertible supercar produced by the renowned Italian automaker, Ferrari. It was introduced as a successor to the Ferrari 488 Spider, building upon the success and advancements of its predecessor. This convertible sports car combines cutting-edge technology, aerodynamic excellence, and powerful performance with the exhilarating experience of open-top driving. Exterior design. The F8 Spider boasts an aerodynamically refined exterior design that is both striking and functional. It features signature Ferrari styling cues, including the iconic prancing horse logo on the front grille. The body is sculpted to enhance aerodynamic efficiency while maintaining a sense of elegance. Prominent features include a sleek, low-slung profile, prominent air intakes, and a retractable hardtop roof that seamlessly integrates into the design. Retractable hardtop. One of the defining features of the F8 Spider is its retractable hardtop, which can be operated at the touch of a button. This feature offers the best of both worlds, the exhilaration of open-top driving when desired and the comfort of a coupe when the roof is up. The hardtop roof is designed to fold neatly into the rear of the car, allowing for a clean and uncluttered appearance. Interior. The interior of the F8 Spider is a masterclass in combining luxury and sportiness. High-quality materials, such as fine leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum, adorn the cabin. The driver-focused cockpit features a multifunction steering wheel with integrated controls, a digital instrument cluster, and a centrally mounted infotainment system. The seats are designed for comfort and support during spirited driving, and there's ample attention to detail throughout the interior. Performance. Under the hood, the F8 Spider houses a formidable power plant. It is equipped with a 3.9-liter, twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces an astonishing 710 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. This engine is derived from the award-winning V8 used in the Ferrari 488 Pista. The F8 Spider is rear-wheel drive and comes with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The combination of this potent engine and advanced transmission results in breathtaking acceleration and performance. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 2.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest convertibles in the world. Handling and dynamics. Ferrari is renowned for its exceptional handling and driving dynamics, and the F8 Spider is no exception. The car is equipped with a range of advanced technologies, including the side slip control (SSC) system, to ensure optimal handling and stability. The SSC system monitors various parameters and optimizes the vehicle's performance in real time. The car's suspension, steering, and braking systems are finely tuned to provide a balanced and thrilling driving experience, whether on winding roads or the racetrack. Aerodynamics. Aerodynamics play a pivotal role in the F8 Spider's performance. The exterior design incorporates various aerodynamic features such as the S-duct on the front, which generates additional downforce, and the aerodynamic underbody with vortex generators. These elements enhance stability and cornering capabilities at high speeds. Innovative technology. The F8 Spider is equipped with the latest in automotive technology. It features an advanced infotainment system with a user-friendly interface, navigation, and connectivity options. The car also offers driver assistance features to enhance safety and convenience. Customization. As is the case with most Ferraris, the F8 Spider can be extensively customized to suit the preferences of the owner. Ferrari's tailor-made program allows customers to choose from a wide range of options for interior and exterior finishes. Materials, colors, and accessories, making each F8 Spider a unique expression of the owner's style. Performance variants. In addition to the standard F8 Spider, Ferrari has introduced performance-oriented variants such as the F8 Spider Tributo. These models often feature weight reduction measures, enhanced aerodynamics, and track-focused enhancements, making them even more potent on the racetrack. Exclusivity. Ferrari maintains its reputation for exclusivity by limiting the production of its models. The F8 Spider is no exception, and owning one represents a rare and coveted privilege among automotive enthusiasts. The Ferrari F8 Spider is a remarkable convertible supercar that seamlessly combines breathtaking performance with the exhilaration of open-top driving. Its stunning design, advanced technology, and aerodynamic excellence set it apart as a symbol of automotive perfection. While I've provided a detailed overview, experiencing the F8 Spider in person is the only way to truly appreciate the blend of art and engineering that Ferrari has achieved with this masterpiece.